Hi, I'm Agent Mead, and today I'll show you how to set up and use the console on your NordicTrack Commercial 2950 treadmill. Here's what you'll need: your wireless network name and password, and the credentials to your iFit account if you have one. If you haven't set up the treadmill yet, we have another Tech Tips video that walks you through the full assembly process. You can check it out in the notes below. Alright, let's get started with your console. First, turn the power switch to the reset position to power on the treadmill. Then, step onto the foot rails facing the console. Attach the clip that's on the key to your waistband and attach the key to the NordicTrack treadmill. You should now see the welcome screen. Tap the arrow to continue. The NordicTrack treadmill will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your network from the list and type in your password, then press Join. Select your preferred units of measurement and hit Next. Select your time zone and press Next. The console will now download any available updates. Once the downloads are complete, it'll say Successful. Then just tap OK. The console will reboot and bring you to the screen where you can log in or sign up for the iFit program. I already have an account, so I'll just log in. Take a minute to review the profile for your account. Tap Edit to make any changes. Then, when you're done, press Save Answers to move on. You'll now see the home screen. You can see your stats on the left. You can also scroll left and right to see available workouts. On the bottom, there are several options. The calendar shows you the workouts you have scheduled. Create will allow you to create a custom route to run on the streets. Tap on a start point and then an end point. And just like that, you have the power to exercise anywhere in the world. Pretty cool. The Browse area is where you can check out available content. You have several filter options, or you can scroll through and see if anything piques your interest. On Air will show you the events taking place and allow you to join them. If the session is in the future, you can add it to your calendar. In the top left of the home screen, there is a menu that will open and allow you to make a few changes. You can select My Account to make changes to your iFit account. If you need to make changes to your wireless connection, you can do that here. Settings allows several options, like calibration of the incline and checking for updates. The console also has some manual controls. Let's take a look at those. On the sides, you can control the incline percentage as well as the speed. On the bottom, you can fine-tune the incline with the up and down arrows and the speed with the plus and minus symbols. You can control the volume here and the built-in fan here. Lastly, these are the manual start and stop buttons. And there you go! Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like. If you have questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy. Thanks for watching.